In SmartMet, you have multiple rows you can add data to. The rows are visible in this gray box, here shown at the top left corner of the screen. It is this very small number, and you can change the row by either up and down buttons on your keyboard, or just using your scroll and scrolling over the map. The maximum numbers of rows is 50, and it is not recommended to use all the rows, because it might make SmartMet very slow. You can also move from row to row using keyboard and the numbers in there. So if I click 8 on the keyboard, it goes to row number 8. If I click 1, it goes to row number 1. And if I click 0, it goes to row number 10. But beyond that, you have to use your mouse or your keyboard's up and down buttons to move around these rows beyond number 10. If you want to switch the data from one row to another, it can be done quite easily. Here, I want to change the data temperature from the row number 1 to row number 3, which is currently showing total cloud cover. I go to this gray box, I right-click with the mouse, and I go to swap row 1 with row 3. And then I click it, and the data is switched from 1 to 3 and from 3 to 1. The location of the gray box can be changed. So if you on your keyboard press Ctrl H multiple times, gray box moves around and then disappears and then comes back. So it has 4 possible locations plus the one not showing any. Everything is done using Ctrl H. Also, MapViews 2 and 3 have 50 rows each,